Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by getting power and connection in place. Charge the Apple Watch to at least 50% so updates finish without interruption. Once done, make sure your iPhone has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. Open the Apple Watch app and choose Pair New Watch so devices exchange secure keys. You will sign in with your Apple ID to sync health and purchases. This also enables activation lock. Make sure to select which wrist you wear the watch on so orientation and screen behavior are correct. You now shape how the watch works day to day. Pick a watch face and add complications so your most used info is one tap away. Next, configure notifications and focus syncing so only important alerts come through. This reduces distractions and saves battery. Enable wrist detection and set a passcode to secure health data. Add cards to Apple Pay for contactless payments. These steps determine both convenience and privacy, so take a moment to prioritize what the watch should show and protect. You finish by syncing content and keeping the system current. Use the watch app to sync playlists, favorite photos, and confirm health data is flowing. Install Watch OS updates promptly to get security fixes and battery improvements, and manage storage to avoid sluggishness. If the watch becomes unresponsive, try a force restart first. Hold both buttons until the Apple logo appears. If problems persist, unpair and repair via the watch app to rebuild the connection. This often resolves stubborn sync or software.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.